Actually, our today's topic is the relation between power and velocity. But before we get into our explanation, I would like to discuss what does the power and velocity actually mean. Actually, power can be defined as the work done per unit time. Its SI unit is watt, or you can say joule per second, and its formula is P is equal to W over T, in which P shows the power, W shows the work, and T shows the time. And if we talk about the velocity, then velocity can be defined as the rate of change of displacement of a body. Its SI unit is meter per second, and its formula is V is equal to D over T. In this formula, V shows the velocity, D shows the displacement, and T shows the time. Now let's move towards our discussion without any further delay. To understand our today's topic, first of all, we shall have to discuss its intro. So let's discuss its intro. Its intro is, let's consider that the propellers of a motor of a boat rotate and causes the water to exert a constant force F on the boat, which moves with a constant velocity v. Actually, here Newton's third law of motion is being applied. According to the Newton's third law of motion, action and reaction are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Here we can see that the propellers of a motor of a boat rotate and exert a constant force on the water as action, and water as reaction exerts a constant force on the boat, which causes the boat to move with constant velocity v. Here we can see that F and V are bolded, which shows that force and velocities are the vector quantities, not the scalar quantities. In this case, the power delivered by the motor at any instant is given by P is equal to del W over del T. Here, P shows the power, W shows the work, and T shows the time. And delta sign shows a very small change. In the next step, we have T is equal to F dot del D over del T. It is because that work is equal to the dot product of force and displacement. So, in place of work, we can also write dot product of force and displacement. In the next step, we have P is equal to F dot V. It is because that velocity is equal to the displacement divided by the time. So we can write P is equal to F dot V, means power is equal to the dot product of force and velocity. So our conclusion is the power P delivered at any instant is equal to dot product of force F and velocity V. So it was our discussion of today. I hope you would have benefited from my discussion. If you have any question, then you can text me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID is physicsinsight7189, and you can also go into the description and get the link of my Instagram ID, or you can go to my channel about info and get the link of my Instagram ID. Now I will see you in my next discussion. Till that, take care. Allah Hafiz.